When working with electrical conduit boxes, it's often necessary to utilize multiple accessories for grounding applications. One popular item is a grounding power tail or pigtail. This grounding power tail has a green 1032 ground screw that's connected to a copper wire. The 1032 ground screw is screwed into the bottom of the box, which provides a positive ground you can then tie into your ground circuit. Another way to ground a box is using a snap-on grounding clip, which has a provision in the inside of the box to receive a ground wire. We also manufacture many different pigtails in both solid and stranded wire in a variety of different colors for prefab applications and connecting devices and wall plates. For these and other custom variations, please visit us online at garvinindustries.com.